Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So here I'm with how to save PowerPoint slides as high resolution images. And even if you want to save all the slides as a PNG or IGS, what exactly we can do? We'll see here. You can see these are the few slides which I have created for promoting. You can use the save as option. You can just browse the location and define it wherever you want to save it. Let's say this is the folder. Okay, so save as type, you can just select the JPG format. Okay, just save it for all slides. Okay, if you want to save only one slide, you can just select only one. If you want to save all the slides in one shot for the future usage, you can do it here only. Okay, it's been done. So again, I'll do the same thing for PNG format. So you can just select the format as PNG, just save it for all slides. Okay, so now we'll just check the quality of these images what we have extracted by default. Okay, so let's go back to the folder. You can just open it. Okay, here this is the folder which I have created now. So you can simply right click on any image and use the properties, and you could see this is the JPG format and the size is 191 KB, isn't it? So when it comes to PNG format, let's just check. Let's take one image and check the property. For this it is 1.63 MB. Okay, if you feel these images also are not so clear or they are not helping me to promote it in social medias and all, like I need to still increase its quality, so what exactly you can do, we'll see that one. So to check again, you could see uh, JPG 191 and PNG it is 1.63. Let's go to the registry now to modify some things inside the PowerPoint. Okay, Microsoft Office. You can go to registry editor. From there, you just need to go to this current ℂ_𝐄𝐄 current user. From there, you just choose the software drop down, and in the software drop down, just check for PowerPoint. Microsoft, sorry. In the Microsoft, you have the Office. From there, you just check which version you are using. You can use the drop downs 15.0 and 16.0, and even we have the 8.0. So these are the uh, versions which I have installed. Let me just check which I'm going to use here. Yeah, 15 is not, so let me just use the 16 drop down. Yep, so all the files are stored here. Fine, so here we have the PowerPoint. Just use the drop down again, and here you go to options. Okay, so this is the file location you need to follow. So here what exactly you need to do is you need to create one more D word key. So for that you simply need to right click and just select NIF and D word. Okay, it is any value, you can simply rename it. The text should be here as you could see on the screen. Just need to enter the same thing. Okay, it's export bitmap resolution. I think B should be capital. I'll just modify the same thing. Okay, fine. So once you're done with this, you simply right click on it. Okay, and just choose modify and just change it to decimal. So let me just showcase modify decimal 300. You mentioned the same thing. Okay, so these are the values which I have assigned for this export bitmap. You can even increase it. Now let's see, okay, what exactly we will get the output. Okay, So let me just save the same thing. I'll go with the save as. Okay, you can just define the location again. So same thing. I'll use the location, and let me just save it as with PNG format at the moment. So I'd like to create a folder to avoid confusion. So new folder will help me to just recognize that. Yeah, so just open the folder, save it. Only this image, not everything. Okay, this time. Well, this is done. So I'll do the same thing for JPEG. Just use the save as type as JPEG, defining the location. I'll just rename it. Okay, JPEG. Okay, save it. Just this one. Now just open the file location to just verify. So before it is 1.63 MB for PNG. Let's see now how it's gonna help us in the form of HDR images. Okay, so this is the folder which we have created. New folder, just open it, and just check the properties. Now go to right click, and you can even just hover on it, you will see the properties. So you could see the PNG format, it is 9.84 MB, way much better than previous one. So it is 163 around, now it is 996, around 1 MB. So JPEG and PNG format, the quality resolution got increased enormously. So this is how we can just deal with this particular PPT slides which you want to convert into the PNG formats with HDR images in one shot as well as in sim. Okay, that's all about this session, guys. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye, everyone.